Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and today we're going to be doing a 5-product face video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I have some products that I want to share with you guys. Some that are like rediscoveries and then a few new ones. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with this guy, which is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick. I haven't, well, before June I hadn't used this in a while, but I forgot how much I like it. I've been a concealer girl for a little over a year, but this has the same consistency as a concealer in terms of a coverage. It's very, you know, light to medium coverage, which is what I tend to go for in concealers, and it blends out so nicely. So I'm going to just use this in place of concealer, so I don't go too heavy with this. And then I'm just gonna use my foundation brush which I got some of this foundation on, and I'm just going to start blending away. If you tend to be a similar skin tone to me sounds so weird. If you have a light skin tone with yellow or golden undertones, then the color that you want to go for is Shell. I forgot what other color they, on the website it said that it was a yellow undertone. This is technically listed as a neutral, but it is yellow. It is completely yellow. Yes, I just wanted to give you the heads up because their descriptions on their website as well as Sephora, the undertones are off. And I go in with a smaller brush. I can either just get it directly onto the brush, and then I just add a little bit more. I'm gonna go on my eyelid as well. I want to even out the redness that I naturally get on my eyelids. I'm gonna go around the nose as well. From there I go on to blush, and this guy is brand new to my collection. This is from Morphe. It's the Morphe 2 Perk Up Cheek and Lip Color, and this one's in the shade Honey. The shade's what actually got me. I went to the mall with some of my friends and they wanted to drop by, so I was like, yeah, sure. I mean, it's been a while since I've been inside a Morphe store, and this color just caught my eye. It's kind of like this burnt orange type of color, but it's not super pigmented, so it blends out really nicely and it doesn't look too orange. So yeah, I've been really liking this, not only as a cheek color but also on my lips. On my lips it looks like a really nice nude. But yeah, the formula is really nice. It doesn't feel gritty or dry on the lips, but it also, you know, it gives you some nice dewiness on the cheek. So yeah, I was not expecting to like this one, but yeah, I've been really enjoying it. So I can actually just go on my lips right now. So I'm gonna apply it on my lips. Isn't it a nice color? I love it, and I love that it works well both as a blush and on the lips as well. Sometimes with these lip and cheeks, like, it'll work better as a blush than a lip color or vice versa. So this actually just works well for both applications, which I love. I could easily apply a little bit on the eyes, but I'm gonna go in with this instead. So I'm going to be using, this is the Kevyn Aucoin the Sculpting Duo Contour Duo. Haven't used this in a while, but I just kind of felt like using it. So I'm gonna go in with the contour side first. A little goes a long way with this. So I'm just gonna do some very light contour, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna use that as eyeshadow. Why not? Why not? I'm just gonna go very lightly on the crease. This is also new to me. Urban Decay sent me this. This is one of their, oh my god, what is this? Eyeshadow stick? Yeah, eyeshadow stick in the shade Chaos, which is this royal blue. I am so excited. It's a little too chubby for that, but I'll make it work. I'll make it work. That wasn't too bad. Now, how will I do the other eye? Because I lost some of the sharpness. It's okay. I'll figure it out. So I'm just gonna go like this. Yeah, that was not that good. There we go. This is very creamy. Ooh, I think I messed up. Q-tip. I'm just gonna go like this, and I can go in with a little more concealer. I'm just gonna grab my concealer brush and then go back with this. Are they even? That's always a question when doing winged eyeliner. Are they even? Okay, we're good, we're good. And now, should I do the bottom? Or should I go in the waterline? I'm gonna do a little bit here. Just connect that. Yes. I'm going back to this guy, the Contour Duo. I'm taking the highlighter. I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner. I'm also going to take this guy and just apply it on top of my cheekbones. Very lightly. Actually, I could go a little heavy-handed since it's so subtle. But I won't. I'm gonna do a little bit on the tip of my nose. Mascara. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And I'm just gonna go ham. I'm gonna go ham on my lashes. I want a lot of volume today. I really need to touch up my hair and also bleach these roots. It'll happen next weekend. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the 5-product phase. I have to say, I really like the way this turned out. I mean, you guys know I'm pretty low maintenance nowadays when it comes to makeup, especially since I'm still stuck working at home. So yeah, if I were to name a standout product from this set, it's definitely this guy. I did not expect to like it as much as I do, but it works really well as a blush and amazingly as a lip color. I love it as a lip color. It's a nice nude. A nice warm nude for me. The eyeshadow stick, I mean, this is my first time trying it out. It applied really well. The color's beautiful. I love the color. We'll see how well this wears. And this guy, I mean, it's so good. I regret not using it more, but now I've been using it a lot this past month. So yes, this is it for my 5-product phase. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're brand new, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!